This is the completely healthy branch of this lucky bamboo plant. However, the main stem of this lucky bamboo has rotten off and the roots are also dead. The water is also very dirty, so no good for the plant. So welcome back, friend. Today I'm going to show you how you can preserve the remaining part of the lucky bamboo plant. This plant was left dried for a few days. That's why this all happened. And the best way to preserve it is, I'm going to show you the process, and it is by cutting off the healthy branches. It's completely fine. And remove all the lower leaves of the branch so that the root will get space to grow from the bottom of the branch. And cutting off the healthy portion of the stem, which will be good for the remaining of the branch. I'm taking a glass with some marbles in it that branch into it and put all the stems in it. Make sure the branches are upright and form into the pot. And I'm going to show you what I have done with my older branch and how this process actually worked. So, taking out all those branches, you can see a tremendous number of roots has appeared from the base of the branch. Very healthy roots and very healthy branches. And I just use marbles and clean water, that's it. And I don't have to change the water every time. If you keep it inside the house where indirect light comes in, it is perfectly fine. There will be no algae and the water will keep clean. Just make sure you're going to water it frequently when the water level goes down in the pot. With the rotten and dead branch, you cannot do anything. And there was some dirty water. I just want to show you that one. So this pot looks so beautiful. Put some water in it, and this pot is very, and this is how the pot has been prepared. They look perfectly healthy. So now I'm going to show you the update after 1 month, how the roots has grown. You can see from the side of the remaining part of the branch, the new roots has appeared down. Remove all the dead leaves from branch, and there are roots at the base of this pot. So this is growing very healthily. I haven't kept it on the window where the direct light comes into this pot. They are just sitting inside the desk and on the table where indirect bright light comes in. So this is how you can preserve a dying lucky bamboo plant, and this is how it can be done. So if you have more queries, please let me know. I'll be happy to answer you. Please do like it, share it, subscribe. Thank you.